Hello YouTube, today I'm going to unbox Dell Inspiron 155502 thin and light laptop. This laptop is awesome, lightning fast, very light to carry and beautiful lighting keyboard and easy to type. It is 15.6-inch Full HD and Intel Core i7 11th generation, 12GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD hard drive, NVIDIA GeForce 2GB GDDR5, Windows 10 Home and Platinum Silver 2021 latest model, and it is backlight keyboard. If you're looking for a budgeted Windows laptop, this is the one you're looking at. And this laptop is good for the office usage, home usage and some mid-size of gameplay. If we go through the Dell website technical specification, this laptop you can do any customization, which I'm going to unbox today. It's 11th generation i7 and the operating system is Windows 10 64-bit. Video card is NVIDIA GeForce MX350 2GB GDDR5 and the display size is 15.6 inches and the memory is 12GB DDR4 and the hard drive 512 M2 SSD. My laptop today I gonna unbox is plain platinum silver, and if you see the ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 and 1 headphone port, 1 HDMI port and power jack, and also there is one micro SD card reader. The camera is 720 pixel HD camera. Audio, wireless, battery, and it's very light and thin laptop. Let's unbox it and we'll see how it's look like. I would like to recommend these who looking for lightweight budget Windows laptop for their day-to-day office work. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you very much.